This is the Ultimate Shoe Deodorizer by Combat Cleaner. This one is for men and contains the scents Black Snow, Ocean Blue, and Mahogany Timber. Really, it's for men or for women, but I would say the scents are geared a little more towards men. They sort of smell like men's cologne or body spray. The back says it absorbs and destroys odors. Combat Cleaner Shoe Deodorizer is not an odor cover-up, and it's an odor eliminator. Our non-staining formula gives your shoes, duffel bags, mats, and equipment a fresh, clean scent. Ideal for all types of footwear and gear. And I can confirm that this, in fact, does destroy the smells. My sneakers, as well as my boyfriend's gym gear, sometimes it smells so strong. After here, I work out, and we use this to spray inside of our sneakers, on his clothes. He has hand wraps for fighting. Those smell really bad sometimes. We just spritz this on a few times and the smell is completely gone, to the point that we don't even have to wash our gym equipment. So let me show you what the bottles look like. And this is so cool. It comes with 3 different bottles. So here's one. This is Ocean Blue. I love this. I can't even say, okay, I do have a favorite scent, but I love all of them. And we use them in the bathroom as well. So if we have guests over, or we just want to even have a spray, bathroom spray, room spray, these are amazing. The Ocean Blue one is very fresh and light. And as you can see, you just need to spray it 2 or 3 times. And it lets out a lot of cleaner. The next one is Black Snow. This one kind of reminds me of the scent of like a new car smell, or maybe like the air freshener that you would put in your car. So I love actually using this one in the car. Sometimes I'll leave trash, or my car will just start to get an odor after a while, or if we had dirty shoes on the carpet, and I just spray this right onto the carpet in the car. It doesn't leave any stains, and the carpet just completely absorbs it and smells amazing in there. So I would recommend this one for in your car. And this is my personal favorite one, Mahogany Timber. This one smells so good. And like I said, we just put 1 or 2 spritzes in our sneakers, on sports gear. I mean, you could do so much with this. It's recommended for cleaning shoes, but you could really clean other things with it as well. And I think it's a really good value for the price. You're getting all 3, and they're pretty good size too. And like I said, you only need 2 or 3 spritzes for anything you're cleaning, and that you don't want to smell anymore. And it just completely absorbs the smell, and then it leaves it smelling really fresh. So that's my quick review of Combat Cleaner's Ultimate Shoe Deodorizer for men. And ladies, you can also get this too. But men, this is almost like spraying cologne on something, except way cheaper and way more effective in getting rid of that nasty smell and making it smell really good.